Hey, what's up, guys? So this is a PSA to anybody considering purchasing any Teverun scooters. Make sure that you buy it from someone who will honor the warranty for you, and I'll tell you why. Because I ordered this from Sunny Times in China, and my scooter broke down on the 14th. I immediately started fixing it on the 15th. Today's the 27th. I paid $126 for the battery replacement. I get it. I didn't feel like I had to pay that, or I should have paid that, because it wasn't a user issue. It was a manufacturer issue. But fine, I pay the $126. We hook up another battery, test out the scooter. Not working. So now we have a battery issue and we have a controller issue. Follow me here, right? I confirm with Mini Motors, controller issue. Controller A is dead. You guys saw the videos. I send a message about this on Friday. Okay, we'll contact the engineer on Monday. Today's Tuesday. Just cross over into Tuesday. I spent the last 2 hours being told I was crazy, being told I should wait 2 weeks. I'm sorry, until October 7th when they can ship the battery, and then wait 2 weeks till after that, till the end of October, to hook up the battery to test the controllers before they'll replace the controllers, even though the controllers have been confirmed dead, D-E-A-D, by a Mini Motors repair place here in New York City, and this is a Mini Motors controller. Now, I am not willing to wait until October 7th because that's crazy to me. That's absolutely crazy to me. So I offered to buy the controllers myself. They wanted to charge me $146 for the controllers. Fine, I'm willing to buy them. Want to charge me $146 for controllers they can ship after October 7th. So 8 days after that will be a month that since the scooter broke down, and the package will probably just be getting to the ship forwarder. So let's just do the math on that. By the time I get the battery replacement, report that, spend a week in warranty, exercising my warranty on that, because they say they don't cover controllers and they believe it's only a battery issue, even though they've seen this and they have confirmation from Mini Motors that it's broken, it's dead, it's a problem. So last week of October, get battery, connect it, spend a week into November, then spend a week for them to locate a controller, to spend 2 more weeks for that controller to be in transit. If you're buying a Teverun scooter, I just want you guys to know this. It started off a great deal, but for what I have spent on this already, what I have spent on fixing the stem, was buying soldering irons to fix parts on this, it's a piece of shit. It's a piece of shit, to be honest with you, and the company's a piece of shit, to be honest with you guys. Just I want to put that out there. Like, this isn't 2 months old. 2 months old. And they're asking me to lose 6 weeks. Over 6 weeks of riding time for warranty. And I'm paying for express shipping of the parts. Yeah. Buyer beware.